Hey guys, Dr. Wolfenstein, starting it one more time to show you the awesome pupperoo head, because I got kind of disconnected. I think it's because there was music playing in the background, but it's Amazon. I paid for that. I ain't pirating music. I'm not trying to, I just need music in the background, damn it. It's awkward hearing myself in my own voice. One second, folks, while I put myself back together. Ooh, ching chang, walla walla bing bang. Woo! Well, that was very awkward. Good. Goddamn Facebook cut me off, you dirty little bastards. But I don't blame Facebook for cutting me off. Yes, I realize no copyright. I can't play music in the background. They really need to change that. Maybe change it a little bit. Like if you're playing music on purpose, like you can tell the difference. If you're playing music on purpose, then cut that shit off. But if you're doing some activity and there's music in the background, Facebook shouldn't say shit if you're listening to music while you're doing something else. But I digress. So before I was rudely interrupted by dickhole Facebook, I opened the head. You missed all the ripping for the head, but I'll pantomime it. It was, and then, nominated I create, and then pigeons, white doves fly out. No. Come here, big boy. So, after I was ripping everything apart and thinking the camera was still recording me, I popped this bad boy. Look at this pupperoo. You saw the paws? Get a load of the head. Woo! This bad boy has flippity flip-floppity ears. Look at how cute. I'm gonna die over pure cuteness. Oh, you're such a good pupperoo. Ooh, who wants a body? Who wants a body? Do you want a body? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You want a body, don't you? Ah, yes. Who wants a body? Who wants a body? You want a body? Yeah, you boy? This bad boy is so cute. Look at them goddamn eyes. Look at that badass anime hair. Woo. Yes, this is a slight kimono style, if you can tell. It has the gloss eyes. Kinda okay on vision because the eyes do fog up. I'll figure out something to tweak that. So, this creation was delivered from some interdimensional warp dimension, especially to moi, a very close friend, hearts. Resurrection Creations made this bad boy. Get in touch. The card's right there. I'll flash it for you in 1 second. So, I got this bad boy, and this bad boy is pre-owned. Somebody has the rights to this bad boy, so under Rule 30 Pass Paragraph 444209999, I gotta tweak it. Area code, not allowed. So anyway, I bought this bad boy. It was very awesome. Loved it, adored it, was like, ideas. I'm gonna tweak it, of course. Whew. Sorry, a little out of breath. Not every day you get a new lab creation on the table. New body parts to tinker with, upgrade, put some tech on there. So anyway, I gotta tweak it a little bit because this character is owned and I don't like copying. Wolfenstein does not like copying other characters. No. I like to make it original. Something that screams, that is you, that I could tell. So, I was respectful. I contacted the buyer, which is my best friend. I contacted the owner, that commissioned for this to be made. I talked to her. She's very nice. We're best friends now. She and I had a little talk. As long as I tweak it, change the name, give it a new origin, everything will be fine. So, this is the new pupperoo. I'm going to do a lot of tweaks, a lot of changes on here, and it's going to look freaking amazing. So, this is the pupperoo. It's gonna look pretty badass and awesome once I'm done with it. Yes, good. I'm in a movie. What up? The kitties are home. All right, and so I'll bring over the cards, so just in case you guys want to commission these people. So, Resurrection Creations made that for moi, and this is the information. I'm not sure if you're getting it. Wide shot, close shot. Just PM me if you need the information to the people that make that stuff. He's freaking awesome. We're besties. Ugh. Hey, who wants to be the first one to come over here and assist me? I was joking. Hey, but you guys can come in and say hi to everybody. You want to say hi to all my viewers and everybody? Hi. Look at all the little monkeys! Look at the monkeys! I'm just playing around. Give me a hug, you little bastard. Yes. All right, now shoot.
Okay. Kuzma, don't do that.
Yeah, they already saw it.
Don't do that, Kuzma.
All right.
I know, but I put up close.
All right, guys. Wolfenstein saying good night and out. Woo! Ow! All right. Because this video is short, I should zoom in.